This is Tuesday Thoughts, guys. What's up? Is that good? What's good, y'all? I need to come up with the fucking intro eventually, because all this is cringe as fuck. But this is me again, Geo. Back at it after saying that I was going to be consistent, and then I missed last time. So, there you go. So yeah, I was MIA, but on today's episode, we will be talking about how Utah just can't catch a break with natural disasters. So I don't know if you guys know or saw, but I made a video a little while ago about fucking earthquakes that we had in this place, which we were the epicenter for, which was spooky being a part of that. So there we had the earthquake, and then lo and behold, now we have these crazy ass winds that are throwing hands at everything and every tree possible. Yeah, there's a bunch of wind blowing, 90-mile-per-hour winds in some spots in Utah. So dog, there's like trees that are coming up off the ground. You guys can look up more shit, but yeah, it's fucking crazy over here. Power's out all of downtown Salt Lake, or even Salt Lake area, which is my mom's and all my homies. You know, I'm not a part of that, thankfully. You know, we still have internet, still have all that, which I'm able to upload all this stuff to you from. But yeah, I just 2020 is definitely not the year for anything, any shenanigans. So I feel like this year for sure is gonna be somewhere, a year we look back on and it's like, what the fuck else could have gone wrong that year? Yeah, guys, another crazy fucking coincidence. So I was just in Colorado this past weekend. Yet again, you know, spending time with the broski. Anyways, we were there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and no, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we left Monday morning. Came back to Utah. Lo and behold, we get a text today showing what you can see is a big ass fucking tree just slumped all over the main road. So if we would have stayed the night or any longer, I feel like with those winds, bro, we would have been stranded out in the middle of nowhere in this fucking cabin. So if you enjoyed my random ass shenanigans, whatever's on my mind, hit the like button. If you enjoy the content, subscribe to your boy. That's GEEOHH. Tell your friends, tell your homies, tell your mom, tell your grandma, if they would have a grand old time just listening to me talk about whatever.
Damn, dude, this guy clutched it up so fucking bad, bro.
You are the
Holy
Apex
shit.
champions.
Oh my god, guys, this guy just fucking clutched it up big time, G. Big time. First dub, dude. One fucking kill. Hell yeah. That's what happens in rank, G. That's what happens in rank.